Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this coffee Gaggia, and pretty much what we did was a full tune-up on the group head, replacing the gaskets, and cleaning out everything, pulling it all together. We did descale the machine also, and so we're going to do a test shot. We're going to test the steam. We're using our test coffee. We are going to pour it a shot. A little fast because I did not calibrate our grinds to the portafilter, but don't worry about that. See, working well. Then we are going to go to steam mode. Alright, now we're going to test the steam function. Looking good. Alright, and that's about everything for this repair. Thank you for the repair. If you liked this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.